Welcome to our channel. Pairing your remote with your Chromecast with Google TV allows you to control your streaming experience easily. Follow these steps for successful pairing. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast with Google TV is plugged in and your TV is turned on and set to the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Insert batteries into your Chromecast remote, ensuring correct polarity. Step 3. Your remote should pair automatically during initial setup. If it doesn't, proceed with manual pairing steps. Step 4. Stand close to your Chromecast device, within a few feet for optimal connection. Step 5. Press and hold both the back button and home button on your remote simultaneously for at least 3 seconds. Step 6. Release the buttons and watch your TV screen for a pairing notification. Step 7. If pairing is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on screen. The LED light on the remote may also indicate successful connection. Step 8. Test all buttons on the remote to ensure proper functionality, including volume controls, navigation buttons, and the Google Assistant button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.